how to do marketing for bars. This is nothing new. Actually, maybe. This is what you want to do. Remember, bars have what I call a plethora of content. And it's right there inside of their bar. Right? So you use that content. Remember, environment, right? The location, that's what's one. That's what we're talking about. The products and services that you guys have, right? Which will be the bar, our food, right? The customer service, the team. Turn your team into a rock star. Trust me. So here's how it looks. Let's play around. You make a drink, right? Now this can be your whole get down. You can literally take your drinks and make a drink, do a little video, boom, 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 right? Present it. Present it. Now, what most of you guys mess up at is that you guys do this. Today we're going to be making a strawberry daiquiri. Bah, strawberry daiquiri. Here you go. All right, bye. No, no, it's not what you do, right? There has to be a closing point, right? So what this looks like is this. You go, hey, my name is blank. I'm here at blank. And today I'm going to be making a blank, right? Make the drink, call it a day. And then you go, if you want me to make this drink, come down to the blank and get your drink. See you there, right? This is real simple. This is, boy, I'm telling you, content on top of content. No, but it can be that simple, right? When it comes down to it. This is your weekly, right? This is your content every day, right? Boom, 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 boom. Now, people pay great money for this type of information. I'm giving it to you for free, right? So take this information and be Premiere.